Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have learned how to open MS Paint. What is MS Paint? In the File menu, New, Open, Save, Save As. In this video, we are going to learn from Print. So, in the MS Paint, don't go for Print because I will teach in upcoming applications. Let me go for Page Setup and Print View. The first option I will show here from Print Preview. When I am going to Print Preview, you can observe what we have drawn, we can get in the Print Preview, how it will come. So why I said Page Setup I will teach you later mean we can learn from here itself only. I am going to explain you what are the options are there here. If I click zoom in, you can observe we can get a zoom. And if you want to zoom out, you can click on zoom out. See like this. Zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out like this. And here one page and two pages not activated. If you want to activate mean go to Page Setup. When I am going to click a Page Setup, you can observe here it will show the one dialog box here. In the size you have to choose always A4 because that is standard size, and source no need. And if I click portrait, you can observe it. You can observe carefully. When I am going to click OK, the large amount of the image is going to congested in the vertical in the portrait shape also. Because of why mean you can observe here scaling. Here fit one by one page mean all the drawings we are going to fit in one page. But I want to keep 100% mean click on 100% and click OK. Now you can observe the multiple pages as activated. Next page, next page. So it divided into 3 pages. So you can apply 2 pages also. Again if you want 1 page, you can apply 1 page. So like this you can apply it. 1 page and 2 pages. See. I hope you are getting. Yes. And you can make zoom in here also. Again I want to make like equally. Even I want to fit in 1 page. I can click on here 1 page and OK. And you can observe here centering and vertical is there. If you click on vertical center, it will come vertical center. But if you don't want, you can disable it. But it's already a horizontal center. Again go to Page Setup, and if you don't want, disable both and click. Select landscape and click on OK. It will clear. So this is nothing but Print Preview. If you don't want, click on Close Print Preview. I hope you are getting. Yes. Okay. Next option, send email no need, and set as desktop background. What is set as desktop background mean? You can observe the background we have a different image, but I want to set this image. Go to File, set as desktop background. But here 3 options are there. I am going to click on Fill and click OK. Now we can see the background has been changed. And what are the remaining options mean? Okay, I will explain you. Before that, take a new page. Okay, I am going to draw one picture. Okay, fill with color. I am going to select here. Click on crop. Now I am going to file save as. So just I am going to click on logo. So type logo and click on save. Now I am going to restore down. You can observe here when I am going to file set as desktop background. When I am going to click a fill, the whole mean what we have created shape, it's filled with full page. Again if I click on tile, see it's coming by tile, mean it's going to arrange entire desktop by adjusting of 100% of the image size. Okay, I want center, it will come only one in the middle of the desktop background. Okay, I hope you are understood. Okay. And if I don't want, I am going to take a shapes. So which one you want, you can increase it. And next option is properties. Okay, I am going to take a look again. What is properties mean? Go to properties. You can observe in the properties units and colors are there. Colors I am going to teach later. So units mean you can change the by inches, centimeters and all. Mean the what is a unit mean? So here you can observe in the ruler bar. If I take inches, it will show by inches. Again file, properties. If I choose a centimeter, it can be shown in the centimeters. Again properties. If I click on pixel, it can be shown in the pixels. But standard always inches we have to use. I am going to choose inches and click on OK. It convert in inches. And also see here width and height is there now. You can observe what is the width. I think 19.8, and what is the height? You can observe here 8 or 9. Okay, I will give 20 width, 20 inches, and height I will give 9 inches. When I am going to click OK, the drawing area it will increase from small to full screen. So you can apply by properties, like I will give 5 by 5, or manually you can enlarge like this. Okay, if you don't want to do manually, go to properties. You can observe what is the width and height in the ruler bar, and you can click it, apply it, and OK on it. You can observe it, it become full screen. I hope you are getting. Yes. Okay, next about Paint, we can get the application information here, which version of we are using and which OS we are using, we can get it. It is not for you, just for knowing purpose only. And last option is exit. We can exit, and it asking do you want to save, and click on yes, it's going to close. I hope you are getting. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. We will see in the next video. Bye bye.